These are the phones that you can offer free to your consumers. Today I want to talk to you about why you should sell prepaid wireless in your store. If you have a retail store, you could be a grocery store, cell phone store, repair shop, or anything that have traffic, and people come into your store. You should offer them savings because prepaid is safe. So let me show you what you should be selling in your store. Verizon Prepaid, Verizon the company, hire a company called Prepay. Prepay is the processor. This is where everything happens. And dealers like you, store, we call you a dealer because you will be selling and dealing with customers. So you should sell prepaid wireless because you will be offering people the savings. Now, Prepay offer phones in their marketplace. You can buy these phones. They come packaged like this with the serial number and everything. And they tell you, pay $75 for the phone, between $35 and $75, and sometime up to $100. These are the phones that you can offer free to your consumers, to your customer. You can offer it free because once you activate the phone and you enter the serial number in the system and they realize that you paid for this phone $75, they'll give it back to you, telling you, thank you so much for bringing us a new customer, a new user in our network, which is Verizon Prepaid. So they give you back your $75. Then the customer is going to pay for the first month. The first month is $50, unlimited everything. Unlimited talk, unlimited text, unlimited everything. So if you are on YouTube nonstop, you don't have to worry about it. You'll be okay. We don't slow you down. And then you get paid, the customer will pay you $50. They pay you the $50. Where the $50 goes in your pocket. So they give you back the $75 that you paid for the phone because to tell you thank you for bringing us a new customer. And to tell you another thank you, where's your money now? So you need to make money. The first month you keep it in your pocket. Some months they tell you we'll give you even more. And some months will give you a little bit less, like around $40. Either way, you're making a good chunk of income. You can charge $20 activation fee, $15, $10, you name it. You value your time and we suggest about $20. So if you charge $70, you keep $70. The price of the phone went back again to you, no cost in the handset for you, and then the customer got the phone for free. You can sell it if you want. We suggest to give it for free because the more you give free, the more $50 and $70 transactions you'll make and you'll keep. In my retail days, I used to do at least 5 to 10 of these every single day. I have stores right now doing about 300 activation a month. That's an average 10 phones a day. For each 100 phones, you'll make $7,000. If you do 70 times 300, it's $21,000 in your pocket. We're not done yet. You still make more money. Every time the customer comes and pay their bill in your store, they'll give you $5. You'll take the $50 payment. Verizon will draw out of your account $45, keeping you $5. On top of this, in the end of the month, they count how many payments you took, how many activations of your phones you did, like how many payments you took. You took 100 payment, we'll give you another $5 for each payment. So you make $5 at the time of the payment and $5 in the end of the month. So you're making $10 on each customer. There is no product out there paying this much. Why is Verizon doing this? Because they know by paying you, you'll do a great job. We want you to be profitable. So if you want to offer prepaid, you got to start selling these. These things here are gold. This is a dealer brought these phones over here. I told him, bring them over. Let me give you some tips how to sell them. He was kind enough to let me borrow them so I can make this video. Make sure to offer products that put money in your pocket. Residual. That's what you need to work with. Offer prepaid in your retail store and you will not regret it. It will change your life. It will change your income. It will increase your revenue. It will make you so much money. It's not even funny. Click the link, register, apply today, start selling and start making money. Thank you so much for watching this video. We're here to help you and help every retailer want to sell prepaid. Get a hold of us and we'll support you and help you as well. Take care. Thank you.
Unlimited prepaid distribution, your #1 prepaid wireless master agent and phone distributor.